These are high-waist yoga pants. They're also advertised as maternity yoga pants, and these were really, really awesome. I originally got them when I was pregnant for the first time, and they were so great throughout my pregnancy, from the beginning through the end, because they're so soft and so stretchy and comfortable, and you can wear them pretty much all the time. I wear them now as lounge pants. They're great for pregnancy recovery because they're really comfortable. I wore them in the hospital. I just love how stretchy they are and how comfortable they are, and they're just really, really great quality. I've had these for 4.5 years, and I wear them around the house like all the time. I have about 4 or 5 sets of them because I just love them so much, and they're just so comfortable. I recommend them to pretty much all my friends that are pregnant, and then even if you're not, they're really great, just like lounge pants.